Hello, I'm Mads from Grain Crochet, and today I am going to show you how to do a single crochet increase. So I've just got a little fabric of single crochet here to demonstrate for you. If you've never done a single crochet before, I do have a video on my channel, which I will link the playlist down in the description box below. To do an increase, we need to work 2 single crochets into 1 single crochet stitch. So I'm going to find the stitch that I'm going to work into, which is that one right there. I'm going to put my hook through that and create a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through both loops. And now I'm going to find that same stitch, that one there, and do another single crochet. So I'm going to put my hook into that, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. So I have just done 2 single crochets into 1 stitch, and that is an increase. Let's do that again. So we'll find the next stitch there, put my hook through there, yarn over, pull through. So I have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Find the same stitch that I just worked into, so that one there, put my hook in there and do another single crochet. So I've just done 2 single crochets into 1 single crochet stitch, and that's how you do a single crochet increase.